bakit Friday pa tayo naging cleaners? We were supposed to be at SMGC right now.
I know, right? We're so unlucky when the officers pick out the cleaners for each day.
Diba? Alam nyo guys, huwag kayong makapessimistic. Kasi at least nalinis yung classroom. Tsaka, pwede naman na tayo pumunta sa SMGC ngayon. Guys, ano kayo pwede natin gawin sa mall? Siguro kumain, no?
Yeah, let's eat first. I'm very hungry.
Eh, wait lang. What if... alam ko na.
Ano naman?
What if sa fully book tayo pumunta kasi nilabas yung bagong libro. Malay mo na-release na doon yung librong gusto ko. Gagastos ka na naman eh.
Let's eat first. I'm very hungry.
Saglit lang yun. As in, like, saglit lang talaga yun. Like,
Hindi.
Kakain muna tayo. Saglit lang talaga yun. Kakain na tayo.
Good day, participants. You might not be familiar with your surroundings right now, but the sum of the cards you've picked were odd.
Walang magandang kakalabasan doon.
Oh, let's try it. Maybe there's a cash prize in it.
Ano? Nasali. Napanood ko ba yung Squid Game? Wait lang, guys. Maybe, try natin. Kasi, those shows are just fictional. Yung death game na yan, hindi naman nag-i-exist yan eh. So, what if try natin wala namang masama kung try natin, diba? Sabi niyo eh. Then, hey, we got an odd-numbered sum.
So what's the game then?
Where are we? I think nakidlat tayo. Is this escape room or what?
Call me the Game Master. You are in an escape room. You must complete 5 rounds to get out. Each round has a time limit. If the time limit ends and you haven't completed the round, you must face a consequence. Look around and think critically. May be your next clue. May the odds be in your favor.
Hey, hindi ko na alam.
Let's look for clues.
Sabi ko, meron dito. Hoy, hindi na compliment yun. Ano yan? Ito. Mutually exclusive.
Mutually exclusive? As far as I remember, ang sabi ni Ma'am, mutually exclusive events are events that cannot happen at once.
So, maganda to guys. Tara, if flipping 2 coins, what is the probability of getting 2 heads or 2 tails? Wait, alam ko to.
The probability of getting 2 heads or 2 tails, you will add the probability of getting 2 heads and getting 2 tails. There are 3 outcomes of getting 2 heads, so the probability of getting 2 heads is 3/8. Meanwhile, there are 3 outcomes of getting 2 tails, THT, TTH, and HTT. So the probability of getting 2 tails is 3/8. So the probability of getting 2 heads or 2 tails is 3/4.
Wait! Where's Isa? Where's Isa? Hindi ko siya nakita. No! I thought she was with you.
Guys, I can find Isa also, but I can replace Isa.
Tia!
Nag-join din ako dun sa...
Oo, separate time tayo.
In the deck of cards, what is the probability of getting a spade or a number cards? Oh, this round is about mutually inclusive events.
Kaya pala may mga deck of cards dun. Wait, naaalala ko yun eh, mutually inclusive.
Yeah.
Alam ko, nangyayari siya ng paulit-ulit at the same trial or at the first trial. Diba?
Yeah, I remember now.
Guys, bilis
Probability of drawing a spade or a number card. You will add the probability of drawing a spade and the probability of drawing a number card and subtract their intersection. There are 13 spades in a deck of cards. So, the probability of drawing a spade is 13 over 52. Meanwhile, there are 40 number cards. So, the probability of drawing a number card is 40 over 52. The probability of getting a spade and a number card is 10 over 52. 13 over 52 plus 40 over 52 minus 10 over 52 is equal to
We finally made it! Go na sa next round! Let's go! Oh, walang tuloy ng time! Bilis! Bilis! Ano na naman to? Ano na naman? Ang dami naman!
Ano na natin makaklue?
Bakit may cards? Guys, bilis! May timer tayo!
7.
Ano ba? Ba't ang dami papel?
Dami. Kanino ba to?
Hindi ko... Ba't
Sino
ganyan
ko?
to?
Pilit ko. Bigit ko na naman.
Guys,
May
ano
pencil
ba
pa dito. Oh my God.
Yan. Mga question.
Tanong na naman.
I think related to sa mga na nandyan.
Pwede naman, siguro.
Ano yung gagawin? Hindi ko gets.
Drawing a black card, selecting a boy or a senior, selecting an algebra book.
Ito, mga books.
Card. So,
determine natin kung mutually inclusive or mutually exclusive yung mga events na to. Basta sa mga clues na to.
Okay. Kaya din to, guys. Kaya din to.
ano yung una?
Since, ito yung una natin eh. Selecting an algebra book or a geometry book from 8 algebra books and 7 geometry books from on a shelf. I think mutually exclusive to kasi sa sa algebra book tsaka geometry book, hindi sila pwede magkapareho eh. Kasi para magkaiba yung subject, di ba?
Yes.
So,
Pati, oo.
matik, mutually exclusive yun.
Tama,
Guys,
tama.
next.
Ano next? Selecting a boy or a senior to represent the Glee Club from the Glee Club, where 9 of the 15 girls are seniors and 5 of the 12 boys are seniors. Guys, sa tingin ko mutually inclusive to. Kasi guys, look, there is a boy that is a senior. So, you can select both a boy and a senior for a Glee Club.
Tama kaya yan?
Tama
I
yan.
think tama.
Nakikinig ako kay Max.
Next. Drawing a black card or a face card from a deck of cards. I think mutually inclusive to. Kasi yung black card, pwede naman siya maging face card, di ba?
Oo, pwede.
Tama?
Kagaya na ito. King of Spades.
Guys, finally! Tapos na!
Tayo.
Guys, bilis! Natapos na natin! May isa pa tayong round! Bilis! Bilis! Bilis, doctor! May mga cards!
What's this supposed to do?
Tulungan namin yung isa't isa.
Guys, I hope this is the last one.
Oh, there's another sketch paper.
Guys, ano
Guys,
tapos na
may tanong
to?
sa loob.
Ayoko na!
May tanong sa loob.
Ang hulog. Ang dami naman!
Oh my God.
I think this is the hard one. Feeling ko patapos na tong game na to. Guys, kaya natin to.
Kaya na natin yan, guys.
Each player has to
Okay.
choose a
wait
word
lang.
between dizzy.
Each player has to choose a word between dizzy, rhythm, and mathematics. Okay.
Tapos,
There are 9 red cups, 7 yellow cups, 5 blue cups, 5 purple cups. Okay, isa-isa lang yung cup. Inside the red cups, letters A to I are assigned for each cup. Whereas the yellow cups contain the letters J to P, while the blue cups have letters Q to U inside them. Lastly, the remaining letters B to Z are assigned inside the purple cups.
find the probability of A, picking a letter in the word dizzy or a yellow cup or a blue cup. B, picking a letter in the word rhythm or a red cup. C, picking a letter in the word mathematics or on a purple cup.
Guys, ito yung laman ng cup. Sa red cup, merong A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I.
To find the probability of picking a letter in the word dizzy or a yellow cup or a blue cup, you will add the probability of these three. There are 4 letters used in dizzy. So, the probability of picking a letter in the word dizzy is 4 over 26. Meanwhile, there are 7 yellow cups. So, the probability of picking in a yellow cup is 7 over 26. Lastly, there are 5 blue cups. 4 over 26 plus 7 over 26 plus 5 over 26 is 16 over 26 or 8 over 13. To find the probability of picking a letter in the word rhythm or a red cup, you will add the probability of picking a letter in the word rhythm and picking in a red cup. There are 5 letters used in rhythm. So the probability of picking a letter in the word rhythm is 5 over 26. Meanwhile, there are 9 red cups. So the probability of picking in a red cup is 9 over 26. 5 over 26 plus 9 over 26 is 14 over 26 or 7 over 13. So the probability of picking a letter in the word rhythm or a red cup is 7 over 13. Probability of picking a letter in the word mathematics or a purple cup, you will add the probability of picking a letter in the word mathematics and picking in a purple cup. There are 8 letters used in mathematics. So the probability of picking a letter in the word mathematics is 8 over 26. Meanwhile, there are 5 purple cups. So 8 over 26 plus 5 over 26 is equal to 13 over 26 or simply 1/2.
We're finally done!
Yeah, we're finally done.
yes, oh my gosh.
Yes! Tayo! Pero guys, may time pa din. Kailangan na umalis dito.
Baka maubos na tayo.
Takbo, bilis! Bilis!
Takbo!
Yes! Tapos na yung game!
Oh my God!
Yes! Guys, exit.
Wait guys, may message.
Ano yan?
Pa may jowa ka na ah.
Do you want to play a game?
Ha?
Huh?
I-block mo!
Girl, not
I-block
again.
mo! I-block mo!
Ay.
Not again.
Aray ko!